In this video, we'll go over some tips and tricks for wrapping door handles in 3M Wrap Film Series 2080 G12 Gloss Black. This film features 3M's new protective film layer, which greatly reduces surface impressions and prevents any installation-related scratching. Use something small to prop open the door handle, such as this 1-inch squeegee. Tack one end of the film to the edge of the handle, ensuring that no wrinkles are present before continuing on. Cold stretch the material over the handle, laying it flat in the process. Warm the material whenever necessary to conform it around the contours of the handle. Remove the lock portion of the handle from the car and trim away excess material before reinstalling. Make any necessary trimming cuts and use the corner of a squeegee to tuck the material into all edges. As always, make sure to post-heat thoroughly after removal of the protective film layer.